Carol Krucoff. I'm a yoga therapist at Duke Integrative Medicine. We're all washing our hands a lot these days, so I'd like to share with you a way that you can turn your hand washing into a yoga practice. So we'll begin by coming into mountain pose, feet about hip distance apart, crown of the head lifting up toward the sky, shoulders relaxed. We'll turn on the water, wet our hands, put on some soap, turn off the water. And as we wash our hands, I would invite you to notice your breath. On the inhale, you might feel the breath coming into the body so that the belly rounds, the ribs expand, the upper chest broadens and fills. And as you exhale, everything softens. Breathing in, the belly rounds, the ribs expand, the upper chest broadens and fills. Breathing out, everything softens. And then again, breathing in, belly rounds, ribs expand. Can you feel movement of breath in the back of your rib cage? And as you exhale, everything softens. And we'll rinse off our hands, dry them off, and hopefully you feel a bit refreshed.